Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to remove a watch list from TradingView. If you want to remove a watch list on TradingView, here is how you do it. Open your TradingView application or website and log into your account. Once you're inside the watch list section, after logging in, go ahead and select a watch list that you want to remove. Press and hold the watch list and you will be able to see a pop-up where you can tap on remove. Soon after you tap on remove, the watch list will be removed from the list. The selected watch list will be deleted and no longer appear in your list of watch lists. So that's how you easily remove a watch list from TradingView. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.